Hi, welcome to our channel and our first Halloween makeup tutorial. First, I'm applying a serum by the brand Ordinary and I'm priming my skin with the Prime Magic Clear Primer by W7. Next, I'm applying my everyday foundation. This one is the Estee Lauder Double Wear, which is a full coverage foundation, but you can just use your everyday go-to foundation. And I'm just blending it out. For eyes, I'm using the long-lasting eye pencil by Essence, and I'm doing a winged eyeliner. Now, using a tiny eye brush, I'm blending it out so that there is no harsh line and just to have that smoky effect. Don't worry if the wing is not perfect or super sharp because we are going to clean it up later anyway. Okay, now that the eyeliner is done, I'm cleaning it up with some concealer and a super small eye brush. And the concealer I'm using is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Now for the face, I'm actually using an eyeshadow palette. It's the Chocolate Gold by Too Faced, and I'm basically applying the shade So Bougie everywhere I would normally contour or bronze. So on my forehead, a little bit on my nose, the hollow of my cheeks, and I bring it down to my chin. I'm also adding it under my eyes to add a little bit of shadow and darkness there. Using the same black pencil by Essence, I draw a stroke at the inner part of each eyebrow and a black pointy dot on the tip of my nose. Going back to cheeks, I'm adding some depth and definition with the shade Cocoa Truffle. Moving on to lips. Again, I'm using the same black pencil and just lining out my lips and filling in the inner part, just the inner part. And then with the Essence liquid eyeliner, I'm drawing small strokes on my upper lip and very small, tiny triangles at the inner part of my lips. I then just repeat that on my lower lip. And to finish off my lips, I apply some highlighter on my Cupid's bow and fill in the gaps created by the black strokes. To finish off the face, I apply the black shade called Decadent, where I applied the darker shades earlier. And using the Becca highlighter, I just highlight where I normally would highlight, like my cheeks, on top of my eyebrows, and a little bit more on my Cupid's bow. So this is the finished Halloween look. We really hoped you liked it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.